The Panther KF51 was conceived to address the evolving threats on the modern battlefield. As threats from advanced anti-tank systems and next-generation combat vehicles increased, there was a clear need for a new platform that could outperform anything on the battlefield today. Germany, with its long history of producing formidable tanks, aimed to create a vehicle that would continue this legacy, while also setting new standards for future armored warfare. Developed by Rheinmetall, the Panther KF51 was designed with a focus on modularity, protection, and lethality. Engineers combined years of experience with advanced materials and the latest in electronic warfare capabilities. The development process involved rigorous testing and iterations to ensure the tank could withstand the demands of modern combat. Let's talk stats. The Panther KF51 boasts an impressive mass 59 ton, length of 10 meters, width 3.7 meters, and a height of 2.5 meters, providing a solid foundation for its heavy armor and advanced weaponry. Equipped with a 130mm main gun, the KF51 has a firepower advantage over most of its contemporaries. The tank's armor is designed to resist not only traditional threats but also modern anti-tank missiles. With a top speed of 70 kilometers per hour that allows it to maneuver swiftly on the battlefield and a range of 500 kilometers that ensures it can operate deep within enemy territory, the KF51 is as versatile as it is powerful. One of the key advantages of the Panther KF51 is its modular design, which allows for rapid upgrades and adaptations as new technologies emerge. Its advanced targeting systems, combined with superior armor, make it a formidable presence on any battlefield. The tank's ability to operate in a variety of combat scenarios gives it a tactical edge. What sets the Panther KF51 apart from other tanks is its focus on future-proofing. It's designed with space for additional systems, such as drones or unmanned turrets, which can be added as needed. This adaptability ensures that the KF51 will remain relevant as new threats and technologies emerge. The Panther KF51 is operated by a crew of 3, with the potential for automated systems to further reduce the crew size in the future. Its advanced targeting systems and superior protection have left potential adversaries wary, knowing that the KF51 represents a significant challenge on the battlefield. However, no tank is without its flaws. The KF51's advanced technology comes with a high cost, both in terms of production and maintenance. This can limit the number of units that can be produced, potentially affecting its availability in large-scale conflicts. To mitigate these concerns, Rheinmetall is working on refining the manufacturing process to reduce costs, while also exploring options for export to allied nations. By increasing production efficiency and potential sales, they aim to offset the high costs associated with this advanced piece of equipment. As of now, the Panther KF51 is still in the early stages of production, with limited units being produced for testing and evaluation. However, as the tank continues to prove its worth, we can expect to see more of these beasts on the battlefield in the years to come. The Panther KF51 isn't just a tank. It's a glimpse into the future of armored warfare. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look into the Panther KF51, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the latest and greatest in military technology.